Hey guys, it's March 20th, 2021. It's roughly around 9:30 in the morning, Saturday, Eastern. So let's take a look at how Nano Dimension traded yesterday on the 19th. Alright, so basically Nano Dimension did manage to get up on that angle to ride up higher. However, it was kind of held back by the 200 MA on the 5-minute scale. And from there continue to dribble down. So let's take a look at what the market did that day for NASDAQ. So NASDAQ went down pretty much early morning, and then went up a little bit, and then rode sideways. So let's see how that compared to Nano Dimension. So we did manage to go up, came down, and then came back up and traded sideways. So that's pretty much what happened in Nano Dimension. It kind of just followed the market. And the good thing is that the 991 area, $10 mark, held up as a great support for it. And so we're kind of looking to see from Monday with this week all the options closing. So for Nano Dimension, as the options chain are on a monthly basis for it. So the next time this will occur will be in April 16th. And so we'll see how this will go. But as far as trading next week, looking for Nano Dimension to regain some of its losses. I'm hoping that we'll get some volume up here, and then kind of hopefully be able to break this trend line of resistance and move on up. So there has been quite a bit of a Gann angle price cluster around here, around the 5 o'clock area. I'm thinking that it's actually around the 6 o'clock area. Let's see, with the 5-minute scale, we're looking at around 5:40 and 7 o'clock, around that time frame. Something is going to occur. I'm hoping that because it's a much closer price cluster, that it is something that we will move up towards, given that the market doesn't really have its own ideas of how the day is going to go. But I'm hoping what will occur is we'll rise up to here, continue to either rise up here and continue to go up, or here trade sideways for a little bit and either go up, or we might go back down to the 991 range. I'm hoping that doesn't occur. Doesn't look like it, but we'll see. So let's take a look at the MACD and the RSI. So the MACD and the RSI, because it's been trading sideways, it's been kind of pretty much been consolidating. We're seeing a consolidation here. So we're hoping for a breakout on the 1-hour scale. It should be something very similar, but we are below the baseline for the MACD. So hopefully we'll start to see an up trend there. We can see a little bit of that right now as we zoom in, that the signal has been crossed by the MACD. So the MACD is above the signal, and hopefully it's starting to move upwards. So hopefully we'll see that in the price points, and then hopefully this Gann price cluster will support the idea of moving on up. On the daily basis, we're doing pretty good. We are kind of been trading sideways for a bit, so the MACD and the signal has been going sideways, but it is more on the bullish side. Hopefully we'll start to see a gain up, as we can see here, from negative 25 to 21 to 16. So we are rising slowly in the values of the MACD. As far as the RSI is very healthy, and the weekly is sort of trading sideways, and the RSI is very healthy. So we'll see how things go. Hopefully things will not go downward, but it can. As we can see here, we have been we did hit that trend line and got pushed down. And this, remember guys, this is on a weekly basis, so this might be just that pullback, and then hopefully we'll see on the, we'll go on the rise up here on the uptrend as possibly be able to do the breakout. Alright, so other than that, guys, there really is no news other than the sending of the RF circuit in conjunction with L3 Harris development to the ISS space station. So that is the first of its kind, guys. It's the first item of an AME process brought into space to identify how radiation affects the circuit board and its signaling. As far as ARC goes, there has been on Friday there was no trading of NNDM there, so ARC hasn't increased their position at all. Haven't seen them purchase it in a while, but they do have quite a bit of shares with them. Last time we checked, they had 3 different ETFs holding positions in them. So if we go into here, we should see that ARK Invest so that's quite a bit. So last time we checked, then this was on the on the 11th, which is about 9 days ago. They have a total of 13 million shares, roughly equivalent to 144 million shares in the market value. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. I mean, we've been kind of trading sideways for a bit, and so hopefully we'll push on to the upside and start moving back up to the previous all-time highs. So, and that was, that's quite a bit of time, around, the $18 mark. So, hopefully, we'll start get back up there. Hopefully, the company will announce some catalysts. Some catalysts would be a successful conclusion of that test in the ISS space station with the with the radiation effects. Any news about the purchase of a company, and an increase of sales with COVID lifting. So those are going to be 3 main ones, or possibly with ARK investing or some other large companies. So those are going to be the 3 main catalysts that we'll see. So we'll see how it goes. And hopefully this next coming week will be a good week for us, given that the market cooperates. Alright guys, other than that, that's pretty much it. I'm trying to work on a tool to present the information on a better format, and much more concise. So hopefully that'll be ready in the next several weeks. And then I'll make it publicly available through my website, so you guys can see this information rather easily. Other than that, that's it. Hopefully you guys like these videos and find the information helpful, and I do thank everyone who watches and who subscribed and support the channel. And please, in the comments, if you found anything that's useful to anybody, or any corrections to anything I've said, because these are kind of unedited videos. I'm trying to just get the information out there quickly as possible, so people can it can help them make their decisions on how they're going to trade the next day. Again, with all that said, guys, I'm not a financial advisor or a professional trader. I'm just some dude who's trading stocks and sharing his information. So hopefully, you guys like the information. If you haven't liked, please click the like button and subscribe. And looking to hear from everybody if there's any other information that that may be useful to the community of how we trade NNDM. Alright guys, other than that, that's it. If I find anything before Monday, I'll release a new video. But other than that, I'll see you guys Monday, and happy trading. Take care.